Okay, this is on your own for Module 6, Lesson 2. You can find it on page 189 through 190. Now, there are a little over 20 questions on here, so I'm going to be going over the evens, but I'll also give you the answers for the odds. So number 4, Karen is preparing 4.5 liters of punch. How many milliliters are in 4.5 liters? So if I look on my conversion chart, and I can find that on page 186, I will see that there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Since I put liter down here, I'm going to put liter up here. So we have 4.5 over 1. My liters cancel out. And so I'm just going to do 1,000 times 4.5. And when I do that, I get 4,500 milliliters. It is very important that we are labeling our answer. Okay, I'm not going to do number 5 because number 5 is an odd problem, but I'll give you the answer. It is 5.6 kilometers. Number 6. Doug says that 3,000 kilometers is the same distance as 3 meters. What mistake did he make converting 3 meters to kilometers? So, what Doug did did 3 meters over 1 times 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer. So this doesn't work because this label and this label are different. Remember, going diagonal, they need to be the same. He should have said 3 meters over 1 times 1 km over 1,000 meters. Because our labels have to be diagonally the same. Number 7, I'll give you the answer. Says a truck weighs 99,000 pounds. A repair shop sends a tow truck that can pull up to 5 tons. Can the tow truck tow the truck? So 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. 5 tons then is 10,000 pounds. Since the truck is 9,000 pounds and the tow truck can pull 10,000 pounds, the answer is yes. Number 8. Morgan has 42 inches of rope. Malcolm has 4 feet of rope, and Roberto has 2 yards of rope. Express the total length of rope that the 3 friends have in inches, feet, and yards. So it's 162 inches equals 13.5 feet, which equals 4.5 yards. Number 9. What conversion factor can you use to convert miles to inches? So 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. And 1 foot equals 12 inches. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet over 1 mile times 12 inches over 1 foot. Which if I multiply that all together, I'll get 63,360 inches. So that's a lot of inches in a mile. Number 10. It says 8 feet equals blank inches. So I took 8 feet over 1. Feet need to be diagonal. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. My feet cross out. 8 times 12 is 96 inches. 11 is odd, so I'll just give you the answer. You should have gotten 36 feet. Number 12. We want to figure out how many kilometers are 11,250 feet. So I have 11,250 meters over 1. meters needs to be a diagonal. There are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. My meters cancel out, and when I divide those two numbers, I get 11.25 as my answer. 13, you should have gotten 3,500 milligrams. 14, we have 150 milliliters over 1. Since the milliliters up there, we need to put milliliters down here, and we're changing it into liters. There are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. My milliliters cancel out, and when I take 150 and I divide it by 1,000, I get 0.150 liters. 15 is odd, so I'll just give you the answer. You should have got 6 inches. Okay, we're on the back side. This is number 16. I'm not going to worry about 16. We'll just move right on to 17. It's an odd number, so I'll just give you the answer. Who runs farther? It is Fiona. When I solved this myself, I changed this one into meters so I could figure that out. 18. Vince and Larry are converting 1 kilogram to milligrams. Larry reports that there are 2,000 milligrams in 1 kilogram, and Vince reports there are 1 million milligrams in 1 kilogram. Who is correct? So in 1 gram, there are 1,000 milligrams. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kg. So 1,000 times 1,000 equals 1 million. So the person that was right was Vince. Okay, 19, I'm just going to give you the answer. You should have got 1.76 meters. Number 20, a football field not including the end zones is 100 yards long. How long is the football field in feet? So the football field's 100 yards, so we know it's 100 yards over 1 times. Since we have yards over there, we're going to put yards down here. And they asked for feet. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. My yards cancel out. 100 times 3 is 300 feet. 21's answer is 10 pints. 22 through 25, they're asking us to compare less than, greater than, or equal to. So 75 inches is less than 7 feet. Because if I do 7 times 12, because there's 12 inches in a foot, 7 times 12 is 84. 23's answer is greater than. 24, I have 2.7 meters is what to 270 centimeters. So I know I have 270 centimeters over 1. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. When I do 270 divided by 100, I get 2.7. So that is actually equal. And my last one, 25, you should have gotten greater.